lose your drone, for example, due to a low battery and early landing, you get very nervous or panic. To find your drone again, you can click on the map in the app and then see the last location of the drone. With DJI drones under security, there is the option to click on the location of the drone. Unfortunately, other drones do not have such a display yet. Now it is very important that you do not close either the controller or the app. The map shows the last contact with the drone and indicates whether the connection to the drone still exists. In case of an emergency landing due to low battery level, the drone is still operational. The connection can be restored. Maybe you can still move the camera or not. If you set out to walk or drive in the direction of the drone, the connection to the drone may be re-established. The closer you get to the drone, the stronger the Wi-Fi connection between the devices. The map shows the location of the drone and my position along
it's already
the way.
connected. Can you see? This is very funny. It's already going. It's connected. Great. Because we are enough.
See myself getting closer
Now I
and
can
closer
walk.
to the drone until I find
Come
it
to the
too.
drone.
The battery in the drone is still sufficient charged so that the connection will last for a long time. I hope the video is of some help not to panic and keep the connection open. Please don't close the controller and the app.
Now we are near. You shall still see. We're close here. Now. Close here. And the drone is here on the place and is still showing the light is still on for a long time, and this battery is on 7.42 volts, so this drone will be long without switching off the GPS, I believe. Here I am on the place. Different views. Here down is the drone. And I am here. Hello. I hope this video was to any help to you. I hope this video is helping you not to fall in panic when your drone is somewhere lying on the place or on the ground. Don't switch off the controller. Switch back to the card, like I am switching now also. And then you will see here the drone is still lying somewhere. And then it will show you the way how to come in.